Hello guys, it's Sunny from Ultimate Tech Review back with another video. So in today's video we'll be unboxing and reviewing this Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. Wait a second, it's a cinematic camera. The name says it, Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. Shouldn't this deserve some sort of cinematic unboxing? Well, how was that for a cinematic unboxing experience? Do let me know in the comment section down below. So let us jump right into the specification of this device. So this is how the camera looks like. Yup, this is a cinema camera and I know it's supposed to look huge and bulky, but trust me, this is the one. So talking about the specification, the main highlight over here is it shoots RAW in 6K. Yes, you heard me right. It's capable of shooting RAW in 6K and it has 13 stop of dynamic range, which produces amazing colors, and it has ISO up to 25,600. So this is what the top of the camera looks like. We have all the controls over here like function keys which can be programmed as you need, a record, a still, power off, slider, ISO, white balance and a shutter key. And at the back we got this stunning looking 5-inch Full HD IPS display. It's a touchscreen display which makes the navigation much more easier. And it's kind of dull in a broad daylight, but it's not that bad, work can be done. It's compatible with all EF mount lenses which makes it more flexible to use. And it supports Canon LP-E6 battery, which is a drawback cause the camera is a beast and it needs more juice to run. So if you're planning to shoot outdoor, you'll need to carry much more batteries. But if you're shooting in indoor, it has this DC power supply which can run your camera as long as you need. So on the right hand side we got all this port where you can connect microphone, a headphone, a full size HDMI, a USB-C which can be used to connect SSD, a 12V power connector, a mini XLR port, and on the other side we have this SD and CF card slots. At the bottom we have a battery compartment, a tripod mount and some air vents. Here's how the UI of the camera looks like. As you can see, in this menu we got a whole lot of options. The first thing we have is record menu. So as you can see, there's Blackmagic RAW and ProRes, both categorized differently with different resolution. You can select any option as your project's requirement. And on the next screen we have the dynamic range option. You can select the sensor area, you can change the frame rate, toggle the speed recording and many much more. And the next tab is monitor. As you can see, there are the display option where you can select LCD, HDMI source or both. And below that you have many different toggle buttons such as zebra, focus assist, grid line, safe area and etc. which comes handy while shoot. Next we have the audio tab. So from here you can select any mic source. So as you can see now it's on its default channel source 1, which is the inbuilt microphone. And as you can see that you get a total manual control over the microphone and you can see the meters fluctuating. And you can also change the audio source if you attach any external audio sources. Moving on to the setup tab, you can see this function buttons customization. So as you can see on the top we have these 3 function buttons which can be programmed as we want. So from this setup option you can change these function keys. So as you can see that I've assigned this function key as LUTs option. So while you're shooting you can click this button and as you can see that the LUTs is applying on the video. And the next tab is presets, and currently I have no imported presets in it, so it's empty for now. And next we have is LUTs, where you can import any LUTs you want and use it in live action while shooting. Talking about the frame rates, you can shoot 6K at 50 FPS max, and for slow motion you can shoot at 1080p at 120 FPS. And damn, the slow motion looks dope. And here's a slow motion sample that I shot using this camera. The best thing I liked about this camera is its form factor. It's so small and lightweight that you can carry it easily anywhere without a lot of effort, which you can't do with other heavy cinema cameras. So that's all for the specification and technical details. How does it perform? So as we know, it lines up as a cinema camera, and there are brands like RE and Red. The camera costs way expensive, but this one is exceptional because it's way cheaper than those heavy expensive camera and does a pretty good job. Well, there are a couple of minor flaws which can be ignored cause what it offers for the price, it's nothing compared to its flaws. So here comes the shots that I shot using this camera, so sit back and enjoy. So how was the video? Do you like it? Do let me in the comment section down below. So before wrapping up today's video, would like to give a big shout out to Ganesh Mane for helping me out to make this video possible. So go follow him, here's his profile, and I would also like to thank Rahul for helping me for making this video. So go check out his channel, Travel, the link's in description. So it's one hell of a powerful camera that I've ever used so far. You must have seen the results in this video. So what do you think about this camera? Let me know in the comment section down below. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, hit that like button, which is very much appreciated. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you will get notified first. Till then, we'll see you in the next one.